Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, keeping safe and healthy. So today I have an exciting video for you guys. I have just received this box in the mail from Mejuri. So if you don't know Mejuri, it is a jewelry company and honestly their pieces are so lovely. I've actually never purchased anything from Mejuri, so this is such a treat. Thank you so much Mejuri for sending me this, and let's just get right into the video to see what's inside. You guys, says fancy seeing you here. Oh, I'm so excited. And it has this card and it says this jewelry is handcrafted for Erica. I love the personalized touch to this. I also really love this paper. It's textured. Underneath is a bag. Nothing else is in the box. The box is empty. We have this reusable bag. I love that. There's no plastic at all. Great for the environment. This bag is so cute. Ooh. Okay, so it says the box is made in China. This is the box. How cute. You pop it open like this, and there is a piece of paper that just says Mejuri storage strips. So this says helps absorb naturally occurring atmospheric pollutants and moisture. Keep out of reach of children. So this is just to keep the jewelry from moisture. All right, so this is the fine guide. Our pieces are created using the finest metals, gemstones, and ethically sourced diamonds. Show them a little love so you can wear them every damn day. So it has all the different types. You can see it just has all this information. The packaging is so nicely done. There's an embossing on the box. How cool is that? A bag to put the jewelry in case you're traveling and whatnot. So that is really cute. It's got the gold with their logo. And inside is the jewelry. So I'm just gonna, oh my goodness. So nothing in the inside. There is this foamy to keep the necklace inside. It just slides out like this. Oh my goodness. So the jewelry is quite weighted, which is nice. This reminds me of Mardi Gras. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but those long necklaces that are colorful, but this is just so much nicer. They have their logo here as a charm on the necklace. That is so pretty. This necklace is so nice. So if you want to know the exact name and everything, I'll have it linked down below so you guys can check it out on their website. So it has the clasp where you can put it on different levels. So you have 1, 2, and 3 options. So with the blouse that I'm wearing, I could actually just wear it on the longest. Wow. That is so pretty. Oh, it is definitely like an everyday kind of necklace. And you know, with this kind of necklace, you can also layer it with other things, other chains. I am a one necklace kind of girl at a time, so you will rarely see me layering unless the necklace is already as a layered necklace. You know, it just like has the one with the multiple necklaces on the single chain. This definitely is a quality necklace. You can tell because it is fairly weighted. I don't know how much this weighs, but it's got a good weight to it. So I'm gonna show you close up what it looks like. This is the necklace. It is really pretty. I love that. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much Mejuri for this beautiful piece. I'm so grateful for your generosity. I cannot wait to start wearing it because it is just so nice. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click on that like button if you like this video. Click on that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when I upload my next video. See you in my next one. Bye guys.